you got 58 letter names. And you are a, right there. There's three of this. Hang on, let me get the other one. Oh, this one. Ipabagtudo mo, abi. See? Says here, this is fall, winter. Your student is on track to become a strong reader. This is composite score. Last fall, you got 355 out of 330. Nangagadon. In the winter, you should get 389, but you got 425. Oh my God.
Yeah.
And then the letter naming fluency, you should get